welcome to today's tip. Now I've got a different one here for you. I'm on my computer and I've just opened up a Word document, and what I'm going to do is actually write my title on a Word document and then print it out on some printer paper. Now this is fantastic for some of those pages that are a little bit different and you can't always maybe find the title that you want, or it's long or lengthy like some journaling that you might want to add. So I've come into my Word document and I am going to type in high tea for two, and then I'm going to highlight it and come over to my fonts and choose a font that suits my page. Then I'm going to put in several different sizes, and then what I'm going to do is also do a little bit of journaling on there as well. Okay, once I'm happy with that, I just print this out, like I say, on a little bit thicker than normal paper. Okay, so I have printed those out and I've put some archival ink around the edge. Printer paper is definitely best for archival ink because sometimes if you use normal printer paper it can seep and it doesn't look very good. So I've just gone around and put archival ink around the edge, and with this one I've just got a black pen and put 4 dots around it, so it kind of looks like a proper badge. So that looks fantastic. Then what I've done is I've got my photos. I think I'm going to layer it on this lovely brown just to set it all off. So then you just position them on your page where you want them to be, and it's fantastic for somebody like me who hates their own handwriting. So I hope you've enjoyed this tip, and I'm sure you can implement this one really, really easily into your scrapbooking.